Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SukhjitkaurIELTS. Here in this channel I will teach you some important tips and tricks to score good bands in IELTS. For this, in this video I will share some important questions of Speaking Part 1 test. Let's start the video. The very first question every examiner asks you is, what is your full name? For this you have to answer, my full name is, whatever your name is, add in your answer. Remember that if you want to add your surname with your name, you should recall that whether your name is added in your passport ID or not. If it is not there, you can skip your surname. The second question is asked in the examiner hall is, how may I address you? For this you will give the answer, you may address me or call me by my first name, that is Sukhjit. The third question every examiner asks, do you work or study? For this question, if you are a student, you will answer, I am pursuing my bachelor's degree from college name. In whichever college you are studying, just add your college name here and will complete it by this year. If you have already completed your studies, you can change your answer accordingly. If you are a working person, then you will give the answer that I am working as a teacher, a software engineer, a doctor, or a software developer, whatever profession you are doing. So for me, I will give the answer that I am working as a teacher in this school since 2019. Remember that you will add the school name or company name in your answer. The second question for a working person will be, do you love or like your work? For this, just give the positive answer to the examiner. For this, I will give the answer that yes, I do like my work because I studied hard to get this job and worked hard on my skills to grab this particular opportunity. For the students, the examiner will ask which subject you liked the most when you were in school. For working person, they also can ask this question. For this, you can give the answer that my favorite subject was English because I love to read novels and storybooks published by PMP publishers. I have write the name by checking the internet that PMP publishers are good publishers, so you can add any of the publishers' name here. And after that, the answer is, and their all books are printed in English language only, as well as English is an international language, so it became my favorite one. The next question and the most important question is, describe your hometown. This question is asked by every examiner in examination hall. So for this you will give the answer, I am living in a rural area named Bajuman. I am living in a rural area, so I write the name here. If you are a citizen or living in a city, you can add your city name here. I have mentioned that which is at the center of Amritsar and Pathankot. I have given the sport that center of my village to the examiner so that he can get the answer that where I am living. After that, describe a little bit your hometown. That I am living here since my birth. Each and every facility is available in my hometown, like education, health departments, hospitals, railway station, and even airport is not so far. If I talk about the weather, it is very pleasant here. Just give the facilities provided in your village or your hometown so that you can describe in a good way to your hometown. After this question, most of the examiner ask this question followed by your hometown. Do you want to live here or any other place in future? For this, you will always answer this question like I have wrote in this booklet. Answer is, presently I am planning to go to abroad for my studies. After completion of my course, I will definitely come back to my hometown to live with my family because I love spending time with them at my favorite place, that is my hometown. So these are the basic and common questions asked in every examination hall. In my next video, I will give you answers of the topics followed by these common questions and give the answers in the simplest way that how you can answer that questions. If you like this video and the answers of these questions, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video and share as much as you can. Thank you so much.